What's up, followers, fans, and family, friends, all that? It's Clever Modes Movement King. This is the 2007 X5 that I sold last month. I'm out here in Harrisburg now. I told them that whenever that would need brake pads within the month, so I'm out here to do the front brake pads, and then I'm gonna do the rear brake pads. I just did the hood latch on it now. The hood is staying. I mean, the trunk latch. The trunk is staying open now. So now we're gonna get to this. I'm about to set up everything. You know, my safety first. I'm about to set everything up, get these tires off, and I'll be back. Alright, so this is pretty straightforward. First, I'll spray some PB Blaster, you know, kill some of this rust. You're gonna wanna pop this clip off, big ass clip. Pop these two caps back here. The hex in there, if I'm not, is a size 7 Allen socket I got, or hex, whatever you wanna call it. Then we're gonna pull this caliper back. We're gonna take out the brake pads. We're gonna compress this piston. We're gonna put everything back together. Alright, now don't forget to take your water break. The customer just brought me a nice glass of ice cold water. I greatly appreciate that. Let's get back to it. Alright, so now we're going to compress this caliper piston, push all the brake fluid back so we can fit these new brake pads on here nice and tight. After that, we're going to put the new brake pads back in and put everything back together. And there you have it, folks, the 2007 X5 front brake pads replacement with the new clip, new brake pads. Now we're gonna put the tire back on and move to the rear. Thanks for following. Follow, like, subscribe, share, comment. My TikTok and IG is clever.motors. YouTube is Clever Motors. Facebook and Google is Clever Motors Mobile Mechanic. Get with me.